हे डेवलपर्स, वेलकम बैक टू डेवमाइंड। आज हम एक सुपर कॉमन जावा मिस्टेक्स फिक्स करते हैं विच इज स्ट्रिंग इम्यूटेबिलिटी। इफ़ यू आर बिगनर to it, then that's not a problem. So hope you will get to know what is string immutability later after this video. So let's move to the next. So this is my IntelliJ. I'm using IntelliJ for this. IntelliJ is an IDE. I'm using community version which is free. So yes, I have created a class named with string immutable and main method. Inside main method I'm just printing a simple line, hello and welcome to DevMind. In the next, I have declared a variable s which is of string type and assigning Java string into s. So and the next I'm concatenating this string with value tips. So ideally what I'm doing here, I want to print this Java tips both together. So in that scenario, if s equals to Java, which is variable, Java is assigned under the s. Now we are trying to concatenate here string. What is concatenation? String concatenation is basically adding the strings. Like we used to say 1 is 11. So here what concatenation means in string is Java tips is Java and tips. So I will show you later as in the output. So now in the next line we are doing a system.out.println and we are printing the s, which is our variable. So let's see what it prints. We can run here, we can run this application or our program from here itself, or there are more ways. So let's see. So I have clicked on run and now we can see here it's printing hello and welcome to DevMind. And in the next line it is printing Java. Why next line? Because I have added forward slash backward slash n, so that's why it's printing Java. So now if but here we have used concatenation, so it's not printing Java tips. So for that s dot concat function is we are calling, inside that we are passing a string which is tips. So for this it creates a new string, but हमने उसी वेरिएबल को असाइन ही नहीं किया. So that's why it's not printing. To use this, the correct way is we need to assign it to a variable which is s equals to s dot concatenate. Now we can see. Now let's run this application and see what will be the output. Any guesses what will be the output? Okay, so now let's see the output. So yeah, here it is showing Java tips. So this is the way how we can use string in our program. And why strings are immutable? Because in Java, once a string is created, it cannot be changed. So that's why we called string are immutable in Java. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Follow for more Java quick tips and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.